a voice pattern. And I think you can hear kind of a voice in it. That's a voice pattern. That little ringing noise is also a voice pattern. Please turn it up. He just tried to stop me from saying please turn it up to hear what he's saying with that voice pattern. All of that is him reacting. Notice how he's turning up that mic ring right now and it's not me. That's what's going on in my ear and it's really painful. I got a mic to my ear. He's reacting because he didn't want me to say that. Notice how I press no button. I turn no knobs. That's him talking again. Please put an amp to this because they might try to change the recording with another recording in order to hide what they're doing. And they might even try to edit the sound like from the site if they're able to do that. Hopefully they're not. If you please turn up an amp, attach the sound of this video to an amp and crank it up as high as possible and really listen for voices and voice patterns and then people saying things. That was him speaking and turning it up at the same time. That's him reacting to what I'm saying. He sounds angry. That flutter pattern is used to entrance me. They use it often. He's reacting to that because he doesn't want me to say that. That's him speaking. It's more flutter pattern to try to get my thoughts to follow what he's saying and to lull me out. He just reacted to it because he doesn't want me to say it. They have me under thought surveillance and they have me under real surveillance. They speak to me with transmitters on telephone poles. They speak to me with satellites. And they speak to me with ear implants. And they're using thought reading technologies to try to drive American citizens crazy. I want to keep the mic to my ear because I don't want to hear the things that they say when I take the mic off my ear because when they're exposed, they back down. But please get them caught so that they don't put me through this anymore. Please American people, especially black people, do it because I don't want their people, trying to stop them, to try to bury this by, they might send somebody bad to deal with this, and I don't want that. So please, American people, expose this and turn up your amps and expose the recording and, expose with the feed. And yeah, just any protest group, any good, civil rights protest group, please, take this, please, hear this amp and the recording and see what's being said. They're really trying to disorient me and numb me out and make it so that I can't describe what they're doing. So the sooner you guys help with this, the better. This is the reason why a lot of people are being like institutionalized and stuff. They're trying to frame us and make us look crazy when it's really them trying to drive us crazy with ear implants and other technologies that I described. Please make them stop. That's all.